how to use Trello to track bugs on the Partner Connect website. This is the login and password section of the Trello screen. You should have received an invitation to get out here to this point. You've probably created a user ID and a password. Hopefully you've used a Google account, or maybe you haven't, but I happen to use a Google account for mine because it's easier for me to log in. But normally you would just put in your email, your password, and log in. Everybody knows how to do that. Once you do, you'll be presented with this type of a page, and yeah, Ron Burgundy is my hero. So now you know a little bit about me. So on this side, you'll see all the boards that you're invited to. You guys will probably see only a couple of them here in this area. So select the board that you want to access. Just click on it. And you'll see in the middle here the dashboard for the Partner Connect acceptance testing. Okay, so all you really need to do when you've noticed something that you want to have corrected is just add a card and in the issues identified section, and then type in a little bit about what the issue is. So let's say we had a problem with the navigation on the site. I'll add that card. Once I add it, I have to go back to click on it to add some details. So just click back on it, and you're going to assign it to me. Make sure you assign it to me so that I know that there's an issue out there to take care of, because what I do is I review them. Maybe you need to clarify some information, or I'll add some information to it, and then I'll assign it to the developers so that they can take care of it. So once you've assigned it to me, you can actually add additional information in this area. Let's just say the titles aren't centered on tabs. And just save it. And then it's always a good idea, if you have it available, or if it's it seems like it's an important piece of it, it's great to add additional information so you can attach a file. So do a screen grab of the specific situation so that we can see a visual when we're working on it of what page we're actually addressing and what the issue actually is. So I just created it and click on the screenshot that I had, and I add it. And you'll see that it's added to the not only to the actual details, but we can actually ask comments and questions within this thing. So I can write comments, and the people that are subscribed to this board or to this issue will actually be able to communicate about this specific task. So there's a lot that we can do from within here. You'll get used to it, but the most important part is knowing how to add a task to this board. Once you're done with it, you can just close, and you'll see that it has a great visual representation with a little bit of words underneath explaining what the problem is. So as this is worked on and assigned to someone, it'll be moved over into the corrective development, into the corrective development area. Grab the card only. And probably have a programmer assigned to it. Most likely it'll be Sean as our lead developer on this. And then as he works on it and he's done with it, he'll take this and actually move it over to get retested. So he'll move it over to here. And when he moves it to here, you'll be notified that an item has been moved to retest, and it'll come up into your email, and you'll be able to address those as they're done. When they're completed, let's say you're good with it, you take this and move it to completed, and it just stacks up on the right-hand side. So very simple interface for us to track these bugs. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to call me, and I'll look forward to talking to you guys soon. Thanks.